Good morning, dear children. This is my video tutorial on simplification of exponents. Okay, so in my previous video, I've already explained you what are exponents, yes, what is a power number, and what are the laws we have for dealing with exponential number, yes, and we even learned how to express any number in exponential form. Okay, so using all these concepts, whatever we learned in previous video, we'll be using all those concepts and solve few questions from the exercise itself. Okay, so let me take few examples. So for your convenience, I have written few laws here. Okay, so whenever I do any sum, I'll be referring to this laws. Okay, you should be very thorough with this laws. So let me take first example. I'll be taking the questions from exercise 5A. First question I'll be doing is question number 9, sub-question 4. Okay, so I'll write the question. It is 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3. Okay, so this is the question we have. So this is a simplification problem. So here you can solve this problem without using the laws. Okay, but as I said you earlier, if you use laws, then it will be very easy for calculation. Okay, so let us use the laws that we have. Okay, so here if you look at these two numbers, these two are a power number having a same base but different exponent. Yes. So according to first law, if we have this form of exponential number, then what do? We just add the powers. So according to first law, this 2, when we multiply 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3, it will be 2 to the power 2 plus 3. That is according to law 1. Okay. So into 5 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3, right? So now this will be 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3. I just added the powers. Okay. So here if you see, we don't have any rules relating these two numbers. Okay, but we again have a rule relating these two numbers. Yes. So this is a division of a exponential form of a number which has the same base. So this will be 2 to the power 5 minus 5. Okay, according to this law. And this will be into 5 to the power 4 minus 3. I'm using the second law in this 2. Okay, so this will give us 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 1. We need not write to the power 1. Okay. So again, we know that 2 to the power 0 is 1, right? I've already explained to you how this happens. So according to this, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1 into 5. So our answer will be 5. Am I clear? So it's very simple. Our calculation becomes very simple if we use the laws. Okay. Let me take another question from exercise 5A itself. Children, I believe that after watching the video, you are giving an attempt to solve the question. Please do it. Otherwise, all this teaching, learning will be of no use if you don't practice. Okay. So let me take another question. That is exercise 5A, question number 9, Roman number 6. Let me write down the question. It is minus 3 raised to the power 3 into divided by minus 1 to the power 5 into minus 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 5. Okay. So if you look at the problem here, you see that there is no direct number where we can use this formula directly, isn't it? We have minus 2 here and 2 here, which are not same. We have 7 here, we have minus 7 here, which is not same. Okay, but we always we can always make this as same. How? Minus 2 to the power 5 can be written as, this minus 2 can be written as minus 1 into 2, right? So we can write this as, the inside minus 2, we are writing it as minus 1 into 2, okay? So this 5, the power 5 is with both the numbers, okay? So when we separate this, we can write this as minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, okay? So this is how we can separate the numbers, okay? So same way, I'll be separating the numbers here, okay? This is a new concept, please learn it. So here, minus 3 raised to the power 3, yes? So as we did just now, we can write minus 2 to the power 5 as minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, okay? So into 7 to the power 2, minus 1 to the power 5 into minus 7 to the power 2 can be written as minus 1 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 2, okay? Into 2 raised to the power 5. Am I clear? So, this minus 1 raised to the power 5 and this minus 1 raised to the power 5 gets cancelled, okay? The 7 raised to the power 2, the 7 raised to the power 2 gets cancelled, okay? 2 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 5 gets cancelled, okay? Now we are left with just minus 3 raised to the power 3 divided by minus 1 raised to the power 2, okay? So here we don't have any law where we can use that law and solve this, okay? So we'll do it in a normal way. So that is equals to minus 3 raised to the power 3 means the number here, this is the base, yes? So this minus 3 is multiplied 3 times. So this is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 divided by, the denominator here is minus 1 raised to the power 2. So that is minus 1 multiplied 2 times, okay? So let me put this in brackets so that it will be easier for you to understand. Now, this will be equal to minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. I've already explained to you that whenever we have multiplication of positive, negative integers, first we deal with the sign, okay? So here, we first multiply this sign and this sign, that is minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. That's why our answer will be minus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, divided by minus into minus plus 1. So our answer will be minus 27. Am I clear? Let me take one more example. Now I'll be taking, so this is question number 11, Roman number 1, okay? Let me write down the question first. That is 18 square into 10 cube divided by 20 square into 3 square square, okay? So if we look at the question here, the numbers, the base here looks very big, okay? So our first thing when we do the simplification would be expressing this number in exponential form, okay? So we have already learned how to express this number in exponential form, that is by prime factorization method, okay? So when we do prime factorization of 18, that is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So that is 3 square into 2, yes? So 18 can be written as 3 square into 2 raised to the power 2, okay? So in this step, I did nothing. I just expressed the given number in exponential form and wrote as it is, okay? Now 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. That is 2 into 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 20. Let us express this again in exponential form. 2 ones are 2, 0. 2 fives are 10. 5 ones are 5. That is 2 square into 5. So 20 we can write it right like this, and it is again raised to the power 2. Okay, into 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 2. Okay. Here I want to add one more law, that is multiplication of a power, right? So that is, if we have a number raised to the power m and this whole number is raised to the power n, then that is e to the power m into n. Yes, we just multiply the power. So we'll be using this here. So 2 does not have anything means it always has 1 here. Okay, so always remember, if we don't express any power, that means that number always has 1. So 3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 again will be 3 raised to the power 4. That is multiplication of powers, into 2 raised to the power 1 into 2. That is 2 raised to the power 2. I'm just multiplying the power with the power again. Okay, using this law. Into 2 raised to the power 1 into 3. That will be 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 1 into 3. That is 5 raised to the power 3. Do not confuse, okay? I'm just doing multiplication of the powers, okay? So same way we'll be doing this. This 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 raised to the power 4. Okay? So, I'll write it here. We have 3 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 4. We can cancel it. So, this will be 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 3. Okay? Divided by 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 2. So, that is equals to, so here we can use the second log in. So this will be 2 into, here also we can use the second log, 5. That is equals to 10. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now with this I will be giving you a homework with this concept. So note down the homework, that is exercise 5A, question number 9, 3 and 5. Question number 11, 2 and 3. This is the homework you need to do, okay? So, I hope this is clear. If you have any query, you can always post me your query in my personal WhatsApp number, that is 702964874 3. Okay? Thank you.